On March 15, 2025, two scientists from Italy made a groundbreaking revelation at a conference, unveiling hidden secrets beneath the Great Pyramids of Giza. Secrets that have been buried for thousands of years. They discovered an extensive network of shaft-like tunnels under the pyramids, leading to massive chambers, some as large as 2 football fields. This astonishing claim has caused a stir across the internet, challenging everything we thought we knew about the pyramids. Were the pyramids merely tombs for the ancient pharaohs, or did they serve another purpose, one far beyond what we could have ever imagined? Welcome back to National TV, where today we'll explore the secrets hidden beneath the surface of the Great Pyramids of Giza. In the silent desert of Sahara, there lies a place where time itself seems to stand still. The Great Pyramids of Giza, 3 enormous stone structures, have stood the test of time for thousands of years. The Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure are some of the most iconic and mysterious structures in the world. Built without modern tools, these structures continue to intrigue historians, archaeologists, and scientists alike. Imagine this. Each stone that makes up these massive pyramids weighs as much as a bulldozer or a fully loaded 20-foot cargo container. And there are 2.3 million stones used in just one pyramid, built without the use of cranes or modern machinery. The sheer scale of this construction is beyond comprehension. But there's more to these pyramids than meets the eye. What if they aren't just tombs? What if they serve a far deeper purpose, one that could completely change our understanding of ancient Egypt? The tombs are something more. For centuries, historians have believed that the Great Pyramids were constructed as tombs for the pharaohs. Inside these pyramids, burial chambers were discovered and sarcophagi were found. But something strange was always present. In both the Khufu and Khafre pyramids, sarcophagi were found, but no mummies were inside. This led archaeologists to question whether these were purely tombs or if something more was at play. In 1837, a major expedition in the smallest of the pyramids, the Pyramid of Menkaure, led to the discovery of a mummy inside a sarcophagus. However, when the sarcophagus was being shipped to Britain for further study, the ship sank and the sarcophagus was lost. Could it be that the sarcophagi in the Khufu and Khafre pyramids once held mummies, but they were looted over time? If these pyramids were simply tombs, why is it that they hold so many hidden secrets? Why do they contain so many mysteries? In recent years, these questions have been revisited, especially in light of a new discovery by 2 scientists from Italy and France. The new discovery, a vast underground complex. On March 15, 2025, these scientists made a shocking claim. They discovered a massive underground structure beneath the Pyramid of Khafre using synthetic aperture radar, SAR. Using this cutting-edge technology, they detected 8 shafts leading deep below the pyramid, stretching 650 meters underground. But that's not all. These shafts weren't just hollow. Around each vertical shaft, there was a spiral staircase, leading to 2 enormous chambers, each the size of 2 football fields. This discovery casts a whole new light on the purpose of the pyramids. Could it be that they were not merely tombs for the pharaohs, but something much more complex? The mystery of why these chambers were hidden for thousands of years continues to baffle researchers. What exactly was the purpose of these massive underground chambers? A theory revived Tesla's vision. This new discovery has also revived an old theory proposed by the famous inventor Nikola Tesla in 1905. Tesla, known for his work with energy transmission, believed that the pyramids were built to harness the Earth's energy. According to Tesla, the pyramids were designed to tap into the internal energy of the planet and transmit it wirelessly. Tesla's work on wireless energy transmission never came to fruition before his death in 1943, but his theories still remain relevant today. Could the discovery of underground chambers be evidence that Tesla's vision was more than just a theory? As it turns out, the discovery of these underground chambers aligns with Tesla's ideas. Some experts are now suggesting that these pyramids may have been part of an ancient energy grid that spanned across the Earth. Could the pyramids have been designed by an advanced civilization to generate and transmit energy? The perfect alignment and mathematical wonders. What makes the Great Pyramids even more fascinating is their perfect alignment with the cardinal directions. north, south, east, and west. The pyramids were positioned with such precision that even today's GPS systems would be humbled by their accuracy. How could such precision have been achieved 4,500 years ago without modern tools? Furthermore, the geometry of the Great Pyramid of Khufu is aligned with an amazing mathematical ratio known as the Golden Ratio, which is present in everything from flower petals to the human face. The side of the pyramid's base is 230.4 meters long, and the slope of the pyramid reaches 186.4 meters. When you divide 186.4 by 115.2, you get the number 1.618, which is the golden ratio. This number is found throughout nature and architecture and has been used by artists and engineers for centuries. Was this ratio an intentional design, or was it simply a coincidence that ancient builders used it to create such a perfect structure? The role of modern science and technology. The discoveries made using radar technology have only deepened the mystery. The underground chambers beneath the pyramids weren't detected by simply drilling into the ground. They were identified using the vibrations of the earth. Scientists used Earth's micro-movements, caused by wind, traffic, and the flow of the Nile River, to create unique signals that reflected from the hollow spaces beneath the pyramids. These movements were captured by synthetic aperture radar, SAR, and analyzed using computer software, which helped create a 3D image of the structures beneath the pyramids. But there's one big question: how did these scientists manage to detect these hidden chambers using radar? And why have these chambers remained hidden for so long? The Egyptian government's stance. As exciting as these findings are, the Egyptian government has yet to grant permission for any excavations to verify these claims. Some argue that scientific communities are skeptical, while others believe that these discoveries are part of a larger global conspiracy to hide the true nature of the pyramids. Zahi Hawass, a famous Egyptian archaeologist, has voiced his doubts about these discoveries, suggesting that they may simply be exaggerated claims made to gain public attention. However, what we can't deny is that the Great Pyramids continue to stand as mysterious monuments that have baffled mankind for thousands of years. With each new discovery, another question arises. Are we closer to uncovering the true purpose of these ancient wonders, or will we forever be left with more mysteries than answers? The mystery of the Great Pyramids of Giza continues to unfold. What were they really used for? Were they simply tombs? Or were they part of a greater energy grid created by an ancient civilization? Only time will tell. Let us know what you think about these new discoveries and the secrets hidden beneath the pyramids in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the Great Pyramids, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to National TV for more fascinating stories and discoveries from the ancient world.